What are you dealing with in terms of headwinds and tailwinds in the macro environment that affected first quarter results?
Yeah, thanks for the question, Joe. Great to be on. It's a pretty exciting day for us here with the results Meg was speaking about. You know, it's getting to be a busy world, right? And we do see rate pressures on the quarter. Healthcare, of course, tends to be a little more resilient to consumer trends. That goes both directions. But it seems like a long time ago, but in Western Europe, North America, we did have quite a bit of Omicron in January, which did affect healthcare visits. So we see that show up in new starts, particularly in serious diseases like cancer. And of course, now, you know, we're concerned about East Asia and particularly China and those same effects happening in Q2. Fortunately, for us, Russia is not a very big part of our portfolio. A lot of companies talking about the conflict with Ukraine. And we did stop investing there, and we're not promoting our products anymore in Russia. But financially, it's not a big one for us. As you know, our trends tend to focus on what our innovation cycle is. And fortunately for Lilly, we're in a very positive one right now.
Seems like a long-term, it is something we want to talk about, pipelines, want to talk about the obesity drug. But just in terms of the reopening, there were a lot of healthcare companies that felt like whatever services they were providing were put on the back burner, and it was very difficult for a year or two. That's probably not the case with Eli Lilly necessarily. Would you say the pandemic was more of I mean, I hate to call it a tailwind, but for example, I don't know, makers of knee implants, that a lot of the elective stuff was not done. You make essential products. You weren't really, it probably was more of a tailwind the last 2 years than a headwind for Eli Lilly, or were pharmacies empty for a while?
Probably a little bit of both directions. Of course, we made the COVID antibodies, and again in Q1 we had over $1 billion in revenue from those. But on the other hand, you do see a slowing, and it's kind of, I think it'll show up later in the health statistics, Joe, slowing in people seeing their doctor. At one point in 2020, for instance, we're big into serving diabetes patients. We saw almost a 20% reduction in people going to test their blood sugar. And if you're not testing where you are, you're not going to switch or change medications. That kind of thing did impact our business in 20 and 21. And as I said, a little bit in January. Looks right now like pretty much Western Europe, U.S. back to normal on those parameters. But probably we have a lot of renewal, too. A lot of our business is people continuing on their medication. We didn't see a big change in that during the pandemic.
Meg?
Well, Dave, it's Meg. It's Meg Terrell here. Wanted to ask you, of course, about the big news on your obesity drug this morning. This has been a space that the pharmaceutical industry has tried to tackle really unsuccessfully for decades. But this drug and others similarly that work similarly to it seem to be having a lot better results in terms of the just magnitude of weight loss you're seeing in the studies. Tell us about the opportunity you see here and what the tolerability profile looks like for this medicine.
Yeah, as I said, Meg, it's really exciting, kind of the best case scenario we could have hoped for when we designed this study. This is one of 4 studies in obesity for tirzepatide, and as you mentioned on the lead-in, it's also being investigated under review, actually, for type 2 diabetes. And for a long time, medications for obesity, we've been researching in this area for a long time, have really come up well short of what I think both doctors and patients would find impressive to change people who suffer from serious amounts of overweight or obesity. And we know obesity is such a driver of both long-term bad outcomes for our health, but also healthcare costs. In the U.S., we spend, the estimate is $1 trillion a year treating conditions that manifest from obesity. So it's one of those big areas that we needed to look for solutions. And here now we have great data with the first drug ever to show 20% plus weight loss, actually both at the top, the middle and the top dose. And we think that'll be profound for so many people, 100 million Americans who have obesity.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.